First things first, you just want to unplug your jigsaw just to be safe.
You see this blue thing here? You're going to pull that back. It's going to make a clicking sound, and then it'll slide right on out. And putting it back in is super simple. That same thing, you're going to pull it back again, and then you're just going to slide this right back into that slot, and it's ready to go.
Now, if your jigsaw has this clip, you're going to want to rotate that 90 degrees, and then you just slide out the blade. And putting it back on is very similar. You just rotate it 90 degrees, and then you slide the blade back into the slot there, and then once it's in place, you let go, and it's ready to go. If your jigsaw has this clip, then your job's really easy. You just open up that clip, take out the blade, keep the clip open, put the blade back in, close it, and it's ready to go.
Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped explain how simple it is to take a blade off of a jigsaw and how to put it back on. As mentioned, the mechanism might be slightly different. There might be a button or something else, but regardless, it's all going to really be the same thing. You're just pulling something back, then taking the blade off, pulling it back, putting it back on. And I plan on doing more videos with this jigsaw, so definitely check out my channel. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. It means a lot. And with that, I'll see you on the next one.